Hi friends, myself Manoj, welcome to my YouTube channel Food Lover. Today's video is very unique because we are not going to any restaurant. Instead, we are going to Villagia Mall, one of the famous malls in Qatar. I will tell you why it is important. It's situated at Aspar Park near the first stadium of Qatar, Khalifa International Stadium. So let's go to the mall and find out why it's very important. I am pretty sure you will enjoy the video. Watch the video till the end. Don't forget to like, share and comment. I'm just signing off. Bye.
So friends, let's go inside and I will show you what all are the specialties of this particular mall, Villagia Mall. This is the entrance. Let's go inside. Now we are inside the mall. In my view, there are 5 major attractions or features we can say of Villagia Mall which can't be ignored at any cost. The very first one is artificial sky. As you can see, it's the painting been done on the glass which looks like real sky. This can't be ignored. The second attraction is Italian model building exteriors. As you can see, it's very beautiful. It's made in Italian model. That is the second feature, second attraction. I have came here with my friend Mr. Sean. Hi Sean. The third main attraction or the feature of Villagia Mall is indoor canal, a small beautiful man-made lake in which boating is being done. It's available at a cost of 15 Qatari Riyal. In Indian rupees it will be 300 rupees. They will take you on a beautiful ride in this boat. It's very beautiful. So these are the major 3 attractions. Apart from that, there are fabulous department stores from the top. Most are top branded only. I will show you one by one. Before that, I will show you the entire mall in a little fast forward mode. So here we are going inside. You can see that beautiful sky which I was talking about. The first attraction over here, which I feel that is the first attraction. The beautiful sky you can see. Due to corona, less people are there. If no corona, then it would be very huge rush over here. It is noon time when I came here. You can see there is a small cafeteria over there which looks amazingly beautiful. Different kinds of coffee and everything is available over there. And if you go straight here, departmental stores, different kind of departmental stores are there, from mobile to groceries to and everything is available. Clothing, everything. So I will show you. This is the grocery section. Carry 4. We are going to the grocery section. So my friend has gone inside. So friends, now I have finished that. We have finished a small purchasing. So here is another one. Mega store of Virgin. You can see here all different types of clothings. Everything is available. It's pretty nice. See all different kinds of t-shirts and everything available. Again we are out. See the building, see the construction, how it is been done. So beautiful. Yes, I know it's beautiful. Titanic pose. See, this is another attraction. This is for children's. Small park, theme based park is there. KFC, McDonald's, Tiffany & Co, Dolce & Gabbana, many branded shops are there, but I am not going to go, it's very costly. Louis, Todd, Prada, many major attractions are there. Once you come here, you will forget everything, you will relax, you will have peace of mind. Very beautiful place. It's actually near to my home only, so whenever I get leisure time, I just come here. You can see this beautiful shop over there, Lakeland. See how beautiful it is. No, there is a small bridge over there. I will just stand on the bridge and show you from there how it looks like. See, this is the bridge. From there you can see both sides. Beautiful decorations. The fourth main feature is Gondolonia Theme Park. It is the largest family entertainer destinations in Doha, which makes it unique from other shopping malls. Not only the kids but the adults in the family can also enjoy here. The suitable arrangements are there. I will show you this. Here you can see that blue colored painting that resembles to ice, and over that one ladder is there through which a train used to come. Zigzag, it will go to the other end. You can see another ladder placed over there. The giant wheel, below the giant wheel go. Due to COVID-19, all these things have been shut down because children are not allowed to come inside. It's very beautiful. Here one more shop is there for kids, toys for me. So let's go inside. Baskin Robbins for ice cream. Specialty of this shop is that different variety of toys are available over here, as you can see. So again we have came out from there. Now we are going to the ladies section. Here I will show you one beautiful painting on the ceiling. Here you can see. It's very nice. This is the ladies section. One of the shops in ladies section. You can see the ladies dress materials available here. They have a wide range of collections for ladies dress material, as you can see. So now we have came out again. Here is another shop for children. So this is one small cafeteria. Here we can see that guy is preparing ice cream. Now he will throw that, and the guy at other end he will catch it. Super catch. This is the fifth attraction over here. It is ice skating. This is from an old video. Because due to COVID it's been closed. So now we have came outside, and as I told earlier, you can see that Khalifa International Stadium. I will make another video for this Khalifa International Stadium, and this is the famous Torres Tower. I will make another one video for this.